What is up, guys? Ranger HK here, and I'm fishing on Easter, as you guys know. And you know, I was just fishing with a drop shot, and I just caught my first one today. Just reeling in slow, jerking it a little, and then I just set the hook and caught this little hunk. Not the size we're looking for, but hey, it's a fish on Easter. Ranger Hunter back at you, and just caught another one. This one's pretty solid. I'd give this one about a 7 out of 10. Yeah, about that. All right, guys, not really what I usually fish for, but that's a pretty darn big size bluegill. See you later, babe. Biggest one of the year so far, guys. Ranger HK, second bass. A little unhealthy one. Good one I just caught. Pretty solid.